Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is fire alarm panel LifeCo 8 zone. You can see all the zones here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this is for the silence. This is the silence only for the buzzer. This is enable disable, and this one is for to make the sound. This one is reset. Whenever there is a fire, after the fire is clear, you have to make reset every time. So if we press this one, the bell will ring. See, we press here and the bell is ringing. And to make it silence, you have to push this one. Now silence alarm went away. Okay, and for the buzzer, you click this buzzer, the buzzer will also go. Then we have to make reset. After reset, the panel will become normal. It's very easy. This is the enable disable key. If you make it off, this all button will not work. Okay, so always this should be keep in on mode, so that in case of alarm, this all button will work, otherwise it will not work. This is the key function for the key. This is enable disable. If you want to make any zones disable for sometimes, you can make enable disable from here. So this is a reset. This is the detail about the panel. Inside there is a battery. If the power went away, the battery will work. Okay, and all this wiring from the all over the warehouse is spread to these devices. Okay, here total we use total 7 zones, and one zone is for outside pump room. Okay, so this all wire is coming over here and goes inside the panel, and the panel will work like this. If in case of fire, this device will get active. There will be a small red color light will come in case of dukhan or smoke. Okay, then in case of fire, the bell will ring. This is the bell, it will ring, and this is the call point. If in case of fire, if anybody sees there is a fire, they have to push this button and they have to go out from here. Okay, this is the exit door. To open the door, we have to press like this, and the person will go out from inside the warehouse. This is the signs, and this is the bell, and we will show you how the bell will ring. So let us see the function of this the buttons one by one. Okay, if we press this one, the alarm will ring. See, the alarm is going on continuously. Everywhere there is an alarm. So see, there is it is showing here fire because we make it alarm. Now to make it silence, we have to press this button. Then for the small sound, we have to press this one, and after that reset. This is the usage of the fire alarm panel. In case of fire, this system will work automatically. So there is all total devices here. 112 devices is spread inside all this warehouse. You can see this warehouse and these devices and the call points and the bells. This is the function of the system.